Welcome back to MacPhee 4. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with the chrome appearance package. This nice red F-150 is loaded full of different features. You've got your chrome running boards here, keyless entry door pad, chrome door handles, tow mirrors built into the regular mirrors with heated as well, power window controls. You get a nice tan interior here with power seating, power adjustable foot pedals, a third row bench seat. Go ahead and turn it over. Get your nice infotainment screen here with display mode, trip and fuel, towing status, off-road, and various other settings. Cruise control on the left of the steering wheel, hands-free on the right. Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, 4G hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, and satellite radio. Right above that is the traction control button, 4-way flashers, and auto start stop. Down here you have 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low off-road controls, and then a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are down there with heated seats, and just below those you have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. Over here you also have another 12-volt outlet with a 400-watt household plug. Auto-dimming rear view mirror up top. And you get your center console here with 2 cup holders, center console, and this also comes up, turns into a seat. Heading around to the back of the F-150, you've got your chrome tailgate here, or chrome bumper, sorry, trailer hitch, rear view camera right below the chrome tailgate latch, built-in tailgate step and a drop-in headliner. You do have LED box lighting on the sides here, and then you also have a rear window and the back window for the rear passengers. Your rear passenger compartment, you have compartments on the door, same tan interior in the back seat, lots of leg room back here. You got spaces for papers. You have one more 12-volt outlet just down there. Lots of leg room, really nice rear interior here. And back around to the front, got your chrome front bumper, chrome grille, halogen headlights, LED turn signals. You've also got built-in fog lights. 2 chrome tow hooks at the bottom there. So come on over to MacPhee 4 today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150.